Hello, 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 and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Today is Saturday. I did a live this morning, and I was working on this gazing ball. It is a bowling ball that have covered. It's complete with the jewels or whatever these things are called. I used acrylic jewels, and then I used these glass stones, and I have completed it. So there's gaps in between, and I fit the acrylic jewels in some of the spots. And I'm just going to put some seed beads in between here in some of these spots before I coat this with something to hold these on, because they will pop off because I just used hot glue. So let's see. I have some liquid fusion in this little precision bottle. And let me just see how this works. There's a little space gap right here. So I'm going to put some of this glue down in there. And that's going to help also to hold these. And then I'm going to sprinkle some seed beads in there. If I can get this little bag open and see what that does. And hopefully I won't spill these all over. Where'd I put that glue? Right here. So I'm just going to, oh, that's going to take me forever. So I'm not going to do it all over, but in some spots I will place these seed beads. And then I'm just going to press it down in there. Okay, that's one section. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do too much of this. Just on this top area. So let's go around this white one and see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go, there we go. Press them down. Press them down. And then I'll have to roll this ball over and knock off the extra ones that don't stick. Okay? I guess. I don't know how this is going to work out. Might come up with something different. We're going to see. Let me go in this area. Oh, where? Yeah, there's a big little spot right here. And a big little spot right here. And I was going to use some rhinestones to give it a little more glitter. And I might do that too around here in spots. Okay. Maybe I need a stick or something. I need something to push those down. How about that? Okay. Where else? I just want to do this top area. I'll do a few more, and then I might just start using my sealer to seal this, or put a few rhinestones in here to give it that bling factor. I actually wanted to just at least use this bag of seed beads up. We'll see. We'll see. That's looking pretty, but that's a lot of work. Everywhere. Okay. Maybe I'll do just this area. I kind of like, so I've got this area done, kind of just like this top circle. So let me put some, oh, where? Here. Okay, y'all. Let me figure out what else I'm going to do. That's enough of those. That's too much work right there. Well, not really, but let me see what else I'm going to do. Okay, the seed beads are kind of messy. I did it in this little area here. I was trying to use that whole package, but I'm not. They just follow all over everywhere. So I have, let's see what we can do with these. These iridescent, they're acrylic rhinestones. Cheap ones. So, let me find some spots here. Open spots. This ball is so heavy now, y'all. Let me turn it. Maybe. Oh no. Hold on. Let me position it first. Okay, let me just show you. I'll do a close-up after I put the coating on here. I'm going to put a coating on here so that it can hold in all of these stones without them falling off. look, y'all. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I coated it with, what is that, Gorilla Glue. All the crevices and everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So the bottom of it, I left blank and just painted it gold because you're not going to see that part. But this baby is beautiful. Put rhinestones in between some of these spots. And a few seed beads. Alright. Next, you'll see it outside in the yard. And it's available if you would like it. Inbox me, email me for details. I got another bowling ball in the basement, and I'm gonna pull it out and do that one. Put gems all over it and make it pretty too. We're gonna jewel it. We're gonna bling it. All right. Okay, that's enough of this. That's enough. Complete and beautiful. I don't think I'm selling it. I'm keeping this first one. I'll make another one. Turned out absolutely gorgeous. In my opinion. I think it is so pretty. And I just set it on a glass plate. Tell me what you think. I think it looks so nice. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up, please.